This trip, we booked an Airbnb instead of our camper so we could be right on the ocean. It was located here at a delta, which allowed us to see so much wildlife. Do horseshoe crabs shed their shells?
They do.
We need to save it. It's almost dead.
So sunny and warm. Perfect beach weather in February.
Who knew?
Who knew?
Okay, so we're at the beach right now, and Daddy is trying to fly the drone.
This trip, I had the idea to bring my RC car and strap the GoPro on it, and I got some pretty cool footage.
And then he chased me with it.
When I see birds, I must attack.
Wow, what a hole! Will it go wrong? Let's hope.
3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.